Hi everyone. Firstly, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you because you have chosen to simplify your prelims 2027 preparation with the most systematic plan, that is prelims complete. Now we have named this program complete because each and everything which is necessary for you to clear prelims is available in our program itself. You don't have to run or chase anything else. You need to completely rely on our program, and you will see that your prelims is getting sorted each day, each week proceeding, right? So in this particular video, I am here to guide through all the features which are there in prelims complete and how efficiently you should be utilizing them so that you see that your prelims preparation is getting sorted. Okay? So today is the first day, and you might be knowing that prelims complete, this is going to be a thematic program. Okay? So entire UPSC का prelims का syllabus we have divided into 36 themes, right? This is inclusive of all the subjects, polity, economy, geography, history, etc. So सारे prelims के subjects in total we have divided into 36 themes. Each week we will be taking up one theme, right? So each week you will be taking up one theme so that it is not a burden for you to study for prelims, because most of the aspirants, they postpone prelims preparation to the end. They do whatever is available, they do it very haphazard manner, and they still ask कि prelims का जो है 20-25 मार्क्स से क्यों छोड़ जा रहा है prelims. ठीक है, तो फिर that is the reason we want you to have a good breathing space, and 1 week में we will be handling one theme. So today is the first day, Monday, and we are beginning with the first theme of polity, that is foundation of Indian Constitution. तो होल एंड सोल आपको इसमें क्या करना चाहिए, आई विल एक्सप्लेन. So today is Monday. You might have got your thematic notes on your portal. All you have to do is go log in convertize.com पे, go to prelims complete page पे, and you will see the notes library, and you have to download your notes, right? So you might have received a note something like this. So these notes are one of the best products which are delivered by our R&D team. Even when the paper came so very unconventional manner this year, you will find line to line reflections from our thematic notes. ठीक है, और इंस्टेंस में यहाँ पे दिखाई देता हूँ. And I want to clarify one thing about the direct hits which ConvertIS has claimed this year. Only and only if all the statements which UPSC has asked, if they are solvable from the current affairs notes, test series, thematic notes of ConvertIS, only then we are claiming it as a direct hit. ऐसा नहीं कि we have seen one word या हमारे notes में and we are claiming it as a direct hit. For instance, ये विजिंजाम पोर्ट का था. Whatever the three statements have been given by UPSC, all the three statements are covered in our current affairs. Another example, this is real world asset tokenization. ऐसा नहीं कि tokenization word हमारे notes में था and then we are claiming it, which most of the institutes are doing it actually, because tokenization was very much in news. RBI card tokenization was in news. They are naming that as reflection of this. Agar this is a completely different concept itself. And we had covered the exact thing, real world asset tokenization, and जो भी UPSC ने statement, all the statements, all the nuances which are asked in the statement are the same things which are asked in our test series as well. That is the reason I want you to read the solutions also properly, which we are giving with our thematic tests. All right. Not just this, any page which you open from our direct hits का PDF, you will find that all the statements, जैसे कि ये जितने भी डिटेल में है 550 to 10,000 क्यूबिट्स का, they have asked about national quantum mission, that उतने लेवल का भी we have covered it, right? कितने thematic hub हैं, what are the thematic hubs they have asked in UPSC, even that is also covered in our notes, right? तो जितने भी nuances UPSC has asked, if and only if they are covered in our notes, then only we are claiming it as our direct hit. So there are plenty in number, around 29 या 30 क्वेश्चंस जो है डायरेक्टली ऐसे लाइन टू लाइन एग्जैक्ट सारे क्वेश्चंस, मतलब सारे स्टेटमेंट सॉल्व हो रहे हैं हमारे नोट से ही. The reason is very simple that I am telling you all this, because I want you to give you assurance that the content which you are following is of the top notch quality. You just have to read end to end of our notes, our lectures, our tests, राइट, विच इज नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क. मोस्ट ऑफ द मार्केट में जो भी लोग बोल रहे हैं कि भाई ये इतना एंड टू एंड कैसे पढ़ा जा सकता है, बिकॉज दे देमसेल्व्स आर गिविंग थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पेजेस ऑफ बुक्स विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू रीड. हम तो कुछ हंड्रेड्स में ही दे रहे हैं यार. मतलब ऑल करंट अफेयर्स, अगर आप इस मतलब हमारे करंट अफेयर्स नोट्स को इफ यू आर कंपाइलिंग एवरीथिंग, इट इज हार्डली 300 पेजेस ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट. यू आर आस्किंग एन एस्पिरेंट कि भाई जो प्रीलिम्स के लिए पढ़ रहा है, दे कैन नॉट रीड 300 पेजेस. हाउ इज दैट इवन पॉसिबल, right? So don't run behind those empathy wale videos. If you are someone who is ready to do hard work, prelims is an easy game for you. Don't get into the easy going wala attitude कि ये तो सॉल्व ही नहीं हो सकता था वाला. ठीक है. थीमेटिक नोट्स यू हैव गॉट ऑन योर पोर्टल. जिस चीज को यू स्टार्ट रीडिंग, राइट, एंड इसके साथ साथ यू हैव गॉट द लेक्चर्स एज वेल, right? So you can choose to read your notes first and then watch lectures, or you can watch lectures and then read notes. That is depending upon your comfort. Agar this is, as I mentioned, 1 week is equal to one theme wala program. So is hafte mein you should be winding up the both of the things, right? Saturday ko we will be meeting you, and on Saturday we will be solving all the PYQs which have appeared in civil service examination, CAPF examination from this particular theme on Saturday through sessions. ठीक है. तो Saturday you will be clarifying each and everything which you have learned, and you should be applying on the PYQs, right? Because PYQs are the most necessary resource which you have to be completed if you are going to give next year all our prelims. So we will split it and cover it. ठीक है. Next Sunday के दिन you will be attempting the test of this particular theme. All right. So you can see that in 1 week you are completely sorting out this one particular theme. You are gaining knowledge, you are watching lectures, you are solving its PYQs, then you are applying whatever you have learned in the tests. And Sunday के दिन I don't want you to relax completely. जो भी टेस्ट आप दे रहे हो तो फिर 2-3 घंटे और एक्स्ट्रा लगा के finish the analysis of that test as well. Because many of the things which we have asked in the question के statements, उसके solutions are very very important. जो भी knowledge void आपका हो चुका है because of application of knowledge, you need to cover directly from the test solutions which you are giving. ठीक है. So in this manner, each week you will be covering one theme, and this affair will go on for 36 weeks, right? So once 36 weeks are done, roughly around January के time पे we will be completing this thematic program in which you are covering your first reading of all the subjects. ठीक है. This is the time where most of the aspirants they will be chasing around the resources कि भाई prelims की preparation start करनी है वगैरह, and that is where things start to get haphazard. मगर all prelims complete student, you must have sorted your prelims preparation by then. Once January arises, we'll be giving you time, 15 days का time हम देंगे आपको to relax, to be ready for the next phase, that is the revision phase, right? So revision phase will start from 1st Feb. And what is going to happen from 1st Feb? We are going to have alternate day test. Okay. So every alternate day there is going to be test which is going to be revisional in manner, right? जो भी आपने thematic program अपने cover कर रखा है, so we will be giving you rapid revision lectures for that, and you will be having alternate day tests. ठीक है. तो schedule के हिसाब से भी I'll show you. So this is the schedule and this is the slit up where each week में you will be taking up one theme, and उसके micro syllabus क्या क्या है it is mentioned, right? तो ये syllabus copy भी you can directly download it on your post subscription page. So once January finishes, January 15th, 17th को your thematic cycle will end. 1st February से you are going to write your revisional test every alternate day. ठीक है. तो within 45 days you will be winding up one cycle of your revision along with your PYQ का revision as well. And after that, in the month of April and May, you will be attempting only the mock tests. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट वेब से you will be revising and you will be taking tests, and there are going to be 35 tests for revision and 5 tests for mock. All right. So you are seeing that you are firstly covering your entire syllabus systematically. Then again you are revising the syllabus systematically, and this is for the GS ka static wala part. What about current affairs? Another headache which most of the students are very much confused about. Current affairs is also included in the same plan itself. So prelims के लिए whatever prelims current affairs is there, उसको we are giving in a concise manner, very comprehensive manner in our current affairs notes. ये monthly notes आने वाली है आपके पोर्टल पे, which you can directly refer it. You don't have to read any other coaching institute के magazine या कुछ भी, because you have to sit and filter out things for prelims उसमें से, right? तो ये magazine this is exclusively made for prelims and all the resources which are necessary. जैसे कि इस साल PIB it has boomed, right? PIB we have been covering from past 2 to 3 years in our magazine. So PIB each and everything, Hindu, Indian Express, Mint, Down to Earth, all these magazines and newspapers we will be filtering, our research team will be filtering, and we will be giving you in the form of notes, right? So every month you will be getting your current affairs notes, and if you are finding difficulty in understanding anything, you can watch our current affairs lectures as well, which is included in the same plan. Okay, so you can read your notes, you can watch the lectures, and also tests. Current affairs exclusive tests are going to be there for 14 months, right? इस साल जनवरी से next साल मार्च तक there will be going to be 14 current affairs tests, right? So whole and soul current affairs is covered under prelims complete program. ये सारे चीजें you have to just access through your dashboard which is available once you log in. ठीक है, तो फिर in total 14 current affairs टेस्ट आपको मिल गए, 36 आपके थीमेटिक टेस्ट जो भी सेक्शनल हम वीकली कर रहे हैं वो 36 टेस्ट हैं, 14 करंट अफेयर्स हैं, 35 रिविजनल टेस्ट एंड 5 मॉक टेस्ट. So in total you are going to get 90 tests in prelims complete program. All right. Now what about mentorship? That is a very important aspect as well for your preparation. So mentorship is also included in the same plan. What you have to do, आपके पोस्ट सब्सक्रिप्शन पेज में there is a link available for doubt handle, right? Any conceptual doubts which is arising while you are preparing, notes देखते हुए, lectures देखते हुए, after your test, any conceptual doubts you can directly ask on this doubt handle, and our group of mentors will be replying to this message whichever you are doing. ठीक है, उसके अलावा there is going to be one-to-one mentorship as well to see where your progress is going, if you are having any backlogs, how to cover it, and etc., whatever it is. They are going to be one-to-one mentorship every month which you can book directly from your portal. You have to just go on mentorship dashboard and you have to book your call, right? So every month you can have one-to-one connect with your mentor as well. All right. So this is a whole and soul foolproof program which will ensure that you are clearing next year prelims regardless of how tough paper is coming, how unconventionally paper is coming. बिकॉज ईच पेपर जहां पे भी यूपीएससी ने कॉम्प्लिकेट कर रखा है, 2023 का हो गया, 2026 का हो गया, यू विल फाइंड द क्वेश्चंस विच कैन बी सॉल्व्ड फ्रॉम नॉलेज बेस. वो देर आर सफिशिएंट इन नंबर, राइट? एटलीस्ट 35-40 क्वेश्चंस आपको पेपर में मिल जाएंगे इवन इन दिस ईयर्स पेपर विच कैन बी सॉल्व्ड यूजिंग प्योरली नॉलेज. ठीक है, एंड वी हैव शोन दिस इन आवर डायरेक्ट हिट्स पीडीएफ इटसेल्फ कि भाई लास्ट ईयर बहुत सारे बच्चों ने दे हैव कंप्लीटली रिलाइड ऑन आवर प्रोग्राम एज वी आस्क्ड देम टू डू, and they are scoring very significantly well in this year paper as well. They have reported 90, 95 plus score in this year prelims also, which is a very exceptional score considering the expected cutoff which is going to happen. And there are many students, other students of prelims complete as well. They have come and admitted कि sir, I got distracted in the month of December, January, where there was a lot of noise about prelims, and I think so I must have followed the prelims complete program directly, and they have admitted it directly. We have posted it on our Telegram channel as well, उनके screenshots, right? We have hidden the names and we have posted it. The reason being the same, मतलब ये कहने का मतलब यही है कि भाई जितना भी शोर मचे मार्केट में, I need you to rely on our program that is prelims complete. Do not get distracted. And more importantly, don't have any backlogs in prelims complete program. ठीक है, तो हमने इसको डिजाइन ही ऐसे किया है कि भाई यू विल हैव सफिशिएंट ब्रीथिंग स्पेस एवरी वीक में, येट यू विल हैव व्हाट इज ए सिस्टमैटिक प्रोग्राम जहां पे आप जनवरी से पहले प्रिपरेशन कंप्लीट करके यू आर गेटिंग इनटू रिवीजन मोड. Anyone who is serious about prelims 2027, I need you to follow the first batch itself. बाद में आके next batch वगैरह के लिए don't raise any request, because the lesser the number of days are there, the clumsier the schedule will start getting. ठीक है, so this is the best time that you start your prelims preparation and do it with your prelims complete program. So all the very best. Read thematic notes of first lecture which is provided on your portal. Watch the lecture. Let us meet on Saturday and solve इस week का PYQs. ठीक है, so all the very best.